everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today, and today I am going to be doing a Christmas layout. So I kind of had a few Christmas layouts left to do, and this is one of my favorite photos. I did put it in my December daily, but I wanted it in my regular scrapbook as well, just because I love it so much. So it's a picture of a terminal at O'Hare in early December, actually. So O'Hare in Chicago. I did put it on Instagram. So it's just one of those photos I just love that I took and wanted to feature. So you can see my camera set up right there. And I did not realize that, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm using a piece of acetate with some gold stars in it that you can see there. That's from American Crafts, the DIY shop, and it's from 2016. So it is older. And I put that right on top of a green pattern paper from Carta Bella that is really just sort of a it's a dark green with a light spot, so you can't really even see it even in person with the stars over the top. That is Carta Bella White Christmas, and it's the greeting gifts paper. And now I'm playing around a little bit. I've put the photo on a piece of red foil cardstock from Michael's, and then added that puffy label from Ellie's Studio, the holiday puffy label stickers. So I just pulled out my Christmas embellishment box and figured out what I wanted to use here. And then I'm digging in my bag of hearts and butterflies and stars, and I think postage stamps as well. When I have leftover gold, either glitter or foil paper, I just do some punches of large and small stars. Then I decided this is looking kind of lonely on this page all by itself. And again, sorry about the camera setup there. But I decided I needed some red up on that top so that just doesn't look so lonely. So I'm going to add another puffy sticker that says Home for the Holidays. And I'm obviously not home for the holidays because I'm in an airport, but I am going home for the holidays. I went to visit my mom in early December of last year, and then came back in time to celebrate Christmas and all of those other festivities. So all I'm doing here is I'm making a little banner out of that red cardstock and adding that banner up on top there. And so then I'm just going to add some more of these foil stars. The punches are just sort of miscellaneous punches I have. And then usually I get that gold foil at Michael's. So that's probably Recollections brand. I'm just going to add these in here. And I have 3 in each spot there. So they're kind of reflecting what's going on with the rest of the stars in the layout. And then I grabbed this little label here, and I didn't write it down where it's from, but I know it's from Ellie's Studio for sure, from one of the past Christmas collections. So you can't get this anymore anyway. And I think it actually was from this year's stickers, or some of the stickers from this year. So now just playing with the arrangement. So to tell you the truth, I don't love that particular green cardstock. Although it's a really great match to the green in the photo, I almost wished I could have used something brighter. And I think that's really just a personal thing for me. That's a really traditional Christmas color scheme, the red and that kind of foresty green. I tend to like my greens more Kelly green. Which is kind of funny, but in general, that's what I really like to use, is something more on that kind of a green color. So I like basically a brighter green. Sometimes I think that also has to do with colors you want to wear, name of the color, within this layout. I do really tend to like that. Now, like the brighter colors. I'm looking at this and I think I'm all done, except I don't love the just two clusters. So I'm going to come back in and just add 3 more stars to the bottom left. So at least I have 3 clusters on the page. And that then will encompass the 3, the embellishment at the top and then the photo itself, because they go across the photo. And I'm liking that much, much better now that that is done that way. I'm just adding some glue dots here to the back. I think I have the mini glue dots because the little stars were pretty small. There we go. All right, you guys. Oh yeah, and now that I know where everything is, I can actually glue stuff down because I can hide my hide the glue underneath the stars and the photos in the banner. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.